Hello everybody, we are Group 10 and today we're going to be presenting our semester project, Fitting Room Analyzer. My name is Andrei Zavyalov and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about what is our project. First of all, we're going to present problem statement and we're going to tell why anybody would need a Fitting Room Analyzer. Then we're going to describe what it exactly does and where it resides within overall retail environment. We're going to talk about what are the benefits of using Fitting Room Analyzers, how does Fitting Room Analyzer works, functionalities of Fitting Room Analyzer, and what customers can do and what the stores can do with it, and what is needed to implement the system. First, problem statement. So why would you need a Fitting Room Analyzer? First of all, as of right now, retailers, they have no way to know which products been tried on and purchased, which products people simply not trying, and which products people trying a lot but not buying for one or the other reason. So basically, currently there is no way to analyze what's going on with the product, and that is actually also results. It's a lot bigger problem where you need to plan a sales floor. So, for example, if you note from our system that a lot of products are tried on, you might probably want to plan and maybe put a little bit more items on sales floor. If you know that like specific sizes are tried on more than the other ones, as you probably want to have more small sizes or medium sizes just to kind of like accommodate your customers in the store. And next, Supriya is going to talk about what is Fitting Room Analyzer.
Hello Professor, this is Supriya Iyer. To address all the issues Andrei just mentioned, we decided to come up with a system which would collect information of the customer behavior or preferences in the store. This data, which is collected, can be further used, which he takes to the fitting room and tries. This will be beneficial for the retailers to make improvements in their clothing line and also help in boosting their sales. This app not only captures data about the in-store activity, but also provides product recommendations, product availability, customer rating, feedback, etc. It also provides attractive discounts to encourage customers to participate in the survey. This app can be used for a mid to large size clothing retailer. It will help increase their sales and also provide additional marketing channel to gather customers' attention. So the next slide is going to be explained by Lee. Sorry, Chi.
Hi, my name is Chi Zhang, and I will give some brief introduction to benefits of using Fitting Room Analyzer. And our key function is for retailers to better understand the customer preference, and the retailers could use our software to get access to survey form from customer to know customers' comments, rating, and something like that. And the retailers could use this function to combine with the cloth trying history to could help them to better understand the customer preference, and also could use this to do good recommendation to customers. And the second is function is for inventory management. Normally, the manager needs to know the sales condition at the end of each quarter, but it's too late to get this result. At that time, bad is bad, good is good. It's no use to do any improvement. So our software could help retailers to do analysis to do analysis based on the customers' preference, and helps them to know which production is sells better and which one is in low demand, so that the store management could accordingly increase the high demand product inventory and decrease or give some discount to that products is not very welcome, and so that the manager could increase the inventory turnover rate. And we also have another function by using BI tools to do the advanced customer analytics. For example, the function could subgroup the people according to their age, geography, and gender. For example, our result could be let them to know the West people would wear red shorts in the winter, and the people who lived in East would like to wear boots in summer, something like that, and so that the store manager could adjust their product display in each store with different location and different location to attract customers, and into the flow chart of to show how does the fitting room analyzer works. And our fitting room analyzer have three kind of users. One is the customer, the other is the fitting room staff, and then is the post staff. And our software will collect the data to store them in the database, and so our business intelligence function could use the data collected to to do analysis and output report in different purpose. For example, there are inventory management report for the manager to manage the inventory, and the marketing report and something like that. And the next part is.
Hello, this is Avinash. I'll be explaining the core functionalities of the system. Here we have separated it into two segments. We have the customer specific and the store specific. With respect to the customer, we have the following functionalities. He can view product recommendations, he can view the product availability, and he can view product ratings and comments. Also, he can rate the products and provide his feedback on each product. Now, the whole objective is to collect information regarding customer preferences. We do this by encouraging the customer to register. This way we collect customer specific information such as age, gender, name, and address. This information will help us analyze store sales with respect to customer attributes. Additionally, we also collect customer feedback for each product he or she selects. This will give us a more detailed understanding about his preferences and what product that particular location is good for. This is done through the survey form. From a store's point of view, we collect data on products sold versus products selected. For this, we have three functionalities. We capture customer information, capture products selected versus sold information, and encourage customer feedback. Now, product selected. This functionality is implemented by recording the barcode information for each product that is selected by the customer. Now, for the product sold, this is similar to the product selected, but here we record the product sold information at the point of sales. Now, analysts can use data from these two functionalities to make predictions. Now, here are some of the interfaces we use to facilitate these functionalities. This is the customer survey form. Here we get an understanding about what sort of a customer he is and why he or she purchased this product or why he didn't buy it. This is the product recommendation screen. Here the customer can view the highly recommended products and along with their ratings. Now, this interface is the point of sale system. Here we record the barcode of every product that is sold. And similarly, we have a product availability. Here the customer can view which product is available in which store. Okay, the next will be Lee.
Hello, Professor. This is Lee, and I'm gonna introduct about what we needed to implement fitting room analyzer. And we have two main parts. One is software, soft requirements, and another is the hardware. So for the soft requirements, the one main thing we need to have is for the developers is just like the software engineering to develop the application, and also the web developer to design the user interface, and also the database administrator. We need to implement our database, and also we need some business analysis to do the analysis for the data we collected by the system. And for the hardware, so definitely we need server. So the server is including the database server. which will store all the information we collected in this system. And also we have the barcode scanners. So for the customer part, their barcode scanners could be embedded with their phone. So there should be a function applied with the application to let the customer to scan the barcode by their own phone. And for the retailers in the fitting room staff in the retailer store, and they will have the device to scan the barcode, as well as the staff in the sale point. So they will have a similar scanner to get the barcode of the item. And here we have some contents which we applied in our project. And here this is the contents diagram, and we see there's 4 actors, that is customer, database, post staff, and fitting room staff. The post staff is just the post of sale staff. And this is the use case diagram, and we have some main functions including in the diagram. And also this is a class diagram. And for the entity, that is for the table, that is product selected and product sold. So that is one for the item bring by customer to the fitting room is the product selected. And for the product sold table is including what kind of item it sells. And this is a sequence diagram. Actually, in our report, we including multiple sequence diagram, and this is one of the multiple diagrams. And this is focused on customer survey. So in our sequence diagrams, we just focus the main function. So each sequence diagram has its function. And this is the database diagram, and this is divided based on our class diagram. And this is, I would like Kuna to have a conclusion for this project.
Hi everyone, my name is Kunal Dayani. To summarize the project, with this app we can figure out the reasons why the products which are tried are not bought. This will benefit not only the retailers but also the manufacturers by giving them customer feedback, and will help them improve their clothing line, which will improve the sales in the long run. In addition to this, it will also give product recommendations and product availability to the customers according to the preferences gathered through this app. Thank you very much.